4.
ನಾನ್ಮಡಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಮೈಸೂರು ಬೆಳೆಯುವ ನಾಡದು ಮೈಸೂರು ಇಳೆಯ ಮಾದರಿ ಮೈಸೂರು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು ತಿರದು ಮೈಸೂರು ನಾನ್ಮಡಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಮೈಸೂರು.
After the passing of Krishnaraja Wadiyar IV, Jayachamaraja Wadiyar became the king of Mysore. He was to be its last, ruling from 1940 till 1950, when India became a republic. During his tenure, the Sharavati hydroelectric project and the Bhadra project were envisaged. A philosopher, connoisseur, musicologist and statesman, he lived up to the Wadiyar glory. As a composer, his name is reckoned among scholars, with bhakti or devotion being the main theme of his compositions in Sanskrit. Famous musicians sing them at concerts even today.
Shri Mahaganapatim bhaje hum Shri Mahaganapatim bhaje hum Shri Mahaganapatim bhaje.
My praises to great Ganapati, son of Shiva, brother of the six-faced Lord, to him who grants wishes and clears obstacles.
Shivatmajam Shanmukhagrajam Shri Mahaganapatim bhajeham.
743.
Jayachamaraja Wadiyar breathed his last on September 23rd, 1974. The royal dynasty is now past, but it has left behind this breathtaking palace and the undying legacy of fine taste it cultivated among the people. The royal tradition manifests itself every year in the great Dasara festivities. In today's Dasara, now observed as a people's festival, we carry goddess Bhuvaneshwari, the deity of the land, in a grand procession. All of Mysuru rejoices in this festival of enlightenment. We cleanse ourselves in the holy Kaveri and fill our eyes with Mother Chamundi. We stand mute at the resplendent beauty of this lit palace. Mysuru glows iridescently in its many hues. tradition will live forever. Welcome to Mysuru.